There's literally only one guy playing ranked right now. And I guess that's why you get all these consecutive matches, because it's slim pickings, man. You only got a handful of people playing at any given time. I went through all the servers, ain't nothing happening. I got booted from a lot of them saying pick a different server. Europe was the only thing that was working. I guess there's only one guy there. Jumped into random instantaneous. Random's instantaneous. Yeah, I'm continuing this here because I cut myself off. Anyway, random was instantaneous. It's just there's nothing going on in ranked right now. So that's kind of a bummer because I'm not going to sit around and wait for hours. I got a limited amount of time to do this shit. And I'm seriously considering wiping my game and starting from scratch. I definitely would do that. That's definitely an option. I don't know, that's kind of a big decision though, but it's not that difficult to get back where I'm at. Anyway, sorry about this one.